For my first I'm back! Hello friends, my name is Janica. Welcome back to Diday's Wonderful Adventures! First, I want to greet everyone a Happy New Year! For my first vlog in 2022, we will talk about polite expressions and greetings. Why do we need to know and practice polite expressions and greetings? It is important to learn and practice polite expressions and greetings because it shows value and respect to others. It also creates a positive first impression and helps us to deal with other people smoothly and easily. What are the examples of polite expressions and greetings? Number 1, I'm sorry. Number 2, please. Number 3, thank you. Number 4, excuse me. Number 5, may I? Number 6, you're welcome. Number 7, how are you? Number 8, nice to meet you. Do not also forget to use greeting words such as good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Now I will teach you how to do polite expressions and greetings. Number 1, if you did a mistake, you should say, I'm sorry. Example, I'm sorry I broke the glass. Number 2, if you want to ask something, you should say please. Example, can you please help me carry the bag? Number 3, if someone helped or gave you something, you should say thank you. Example, thank you for giving me chocolates. Number 4, if you did something unexpected, like burped or farted, you should say excuse me, same as if you want to pass between two persons talking. Example, oops, I burped, excuse me. Number 5, if you're asking a permission to do something, you should say, may I? Example, teacher, may I go to the bathroom? Number 6, if someone says thank you, you should say, you're welcome. Example, thank you for helping me, Janica. You're always welcome. Number 7, if you see someone you know and pass in front of you, it is polite to say hi, how are you? Example, hi Izzy, how are you? Number 8, if you met someone and had a conversation, before you leave each other, you should say goodbye, nice to meet you, or nice to meet you too. Example, okay, I have to go. Goodbye and nice meeting you. That's it. Always remember to practice and use polite expressions and greetings every day. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Please click a bell button and watch more videos. Bye everyone. See you next vlog.